go to work, 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 work. But I gotta put in work, 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 work. I ain't gotta go to work, 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 work. Let your body do the work, 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 work. We can work from
discuss for today. It's a few minutes discussion about the platform that you are going to use. Okay?
I ain't gotta go to work, 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 work. But I gotta put in work, 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 work. I ain't gotta go to work, 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 work. Let your body do the work, 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 work. We can work from home. We can work from home. Yeah. We can work from home. Spend 24 hours.
Given the descriptions to the learning delivery model they refer to.
Okay. So, meron kayo niyan sa screen nyo ngayon?
Opo, ma'am.
Okay. So, halimbawa yan yung lumabas sa screen mo, anong dapat gawin? Ngayon ay yun na ang inyong sasagutan. Okay? So, for example, yan. So, for example, Jamie, pakibasa nga, alin yung sagot mo rito i-match natin? Ano yung pagmamatch natin? Use of learning packets. Ano ang pwedeng i-match sa kanya?
Ano po?
Of learning packets.
Use of learning packets, kanino natin siya ipapartner?
Offline po, ma'am.
Tignan natin kung tama yung sagot nila. Wow, very good. Next. What else? Very good, Emmanuel and Jamie. What else? For example, use of digital formats. That is online. Very good. Next. Synchronous is for
Online, ma'am. Online
Oh.
or distance.
very good. And of course, we have asynchronous with the course without real-time interaction. Well done. So we got you have 5 tries. You may review the questions or continue with the lesson. All right? So let us now proceed to open-ended question. What learning delivery model you suggest for our class? Okay? Ano yung learning delivery model that you want to suggest for our class? For example, online or synchronous or asynchronous? O, lagay natin online. Ang sagot nila.
Online.
So, lalagay dyan ay submit. Okay? Nakasagot ka na ng isa. So, here it is. May quiz tayo. Will you please read?
A real-time
A.
A. That is correct. Next. Please read.
An instruction in which students learn via videos, readings, and other media is typically self-paced. Transcripts and other learning aids can be made available to some or all students.
So, what would be the correct answer? Letter? B or D?
B, blended learning.
Blended learning? Well, that would be asynchronous. Okay? Kasi kung sagot natin ay blended learning, may check pa rin siya, pero the correct answer is asynchronous. Lahat siya, pwede nyo siyang i-check. Ibig sabihin yan yung sagot mo. Pero makikita ko yung result kung ano yung tamang sagot. Next. New normal mode of learning in which the use of synchronous and is equally important. That is what we call blended learning.
Learn.
Okay. So, nasubmit na natin yung quiz mo. Nakalagay dito, you scored 3 out of 3. So, 100 ang correct, 0, 0. Incorrect mo ay 0, no answer mo ay 0. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng sagot natin ay tama. Okay? Next.
What blended learning strategy is suitable to you?
Mhm. So, dito ka ngayon magsusulat. One sentence explain, maximum of 3 sentences. Halimbawa, ang nilagay ko ay the synchronous papasok ngayon yung synchronous na yan sa akin. Papasok siya sa post. Makikita ngayon kung sumagot ka. Okay? Nakita ba yung sagot ko? Yes, ayun yung sagot ko. Kunyari, anyone who wants to put something about this para ma-view natin. Emmanuel, you try. Sample lang, lagay mo asynchronous, lagay mo online, whatever it is, kahit one word lang. Let's find out kung mapopost dito yung iyong sagot. Yan, online. And so far, tapos na. May sumasagot pa ba? Let's now proceed to another one. Okay, next. Proceed na tayo. So, here it is. Ida-drag nyo lang yung answer dito sa ibaba kasi fill in the blank siya. Right? The synchronous learning is a real-time instruction, typically via video conferencing. Zoom and other synchronous platforms are popular ways to hold. Okay? Among other benefits. Then, asynchronous instruction. Yan. Ganyan lang yung gagawin ninyo. Then, done. Good try. You got 1 out of 10 correct answers. Yan ang mababasa ninyo. Okay? So, pwede naman yan ninyo siyang balikan. Next is, nakita ninyo nagkaroon tayo ng interactive kasi on the spot nakikita ko yung mga answers ninyo sa bawat questions. Okay? So, what choose your character? Okay? Choose your character. Pili ka muna kung anong character yung gagamitin mo. Then, after that, yan. So, naka-choose na tayo limbawa ng character. Ito napili ko. Tapos, mag-start na ako. Pag-start ko, in 3, 2, 1. May question dito. Sa question na yan, may sasagutan ka. Okay? An instruction in which students learn via videos. Lalagay ko sagot ay synchronous.
Synchronous.
Oh. So, mali. Ang tamang sagot ay asynchronous.
Synchronous.
Okay? Oo, asynchronous. So, ang nangyari, mali yun. 3, 2, 1. A real-time instruction typically via video conferencing. Tingnan natin kung makakaakyat si Jane sa itaas. Nice job. Ayan, aakyat na si Jane papunta doon sa tuktok. Kasi nasagutan niya yung isa. Next, in 3, 2, 1.
Baliktad, ma'am.
Next, is a pedagogical approach. Nalagay natin ay
Blended.
learning. Oh, nice job. I have a good answer. Yan. And then after that,
Oo nga.
okay. 3, 2, 1. Sinagutan mo ay blended learning. Ang nilagay kong
Blended
sagot,
ka.
tama.
Galing mo ka.
So, nakakit ba ako sa dulo? Tingnan natin kung anong naging score ko. Okay, I have here. I only have. Okay. I got 2,415 points. Right? Ako nakasagot and then natapos ko siya and I got